21 wins, 3 losses, 1 draw with 15 losses.
Paras!
Coming my way of the knockout. Paras! From Sandman Boxing, 160 pounds, Vince Paras. The former world title contender Vince Paras, and also former OBBF boxing champion. The Prince, Vince Paras, against the pride of Big Yellow Boxing Team, Cebu City, Anthony Neguela. Neguela, professional record of 8 victories, 16 draws, and 2 knockouts. 115 pounds official weight, Anthony Neguela. They will collide for 8 rounds of slam-bang action in the 115 division. Super flyweight category. Vince the Prince Paras versus Anthony Neguela. Okay, face up. Next and line.